excited. So this is going to be a really simple look. So I started out with stretched out hair. My hair's been in a ponytail for about 5 days now. So I'm just taking it down, and what you're going to need for this style is a scrunchie or a couple, some Marley hair, and I used the Jamaican braid twist from the Equal brand. I'm going to show you guys 2 different methods for attaching their hair onto the scrunchie. So obviously you're going to need a scrunchie. And so the first method is literally just making a knot. So I'm putting the hair through the scrunchie and then I'm just tying it. That's it. Now the second method, I actually use the crochet method. So I folded the hair in half. And then I just put it through the knot, and then once I have it through the knot, so I take the loop, put my finger through the loop, and then I grab the hair with my fingers, and then I literally just pull, and that makes a knot. And I feel like this method is a lot more secure. You're not worried about, you know, the knot coming out or anything like that, and that's actually what I used for the rest of my ponytail. There's some portions where instead of using 1 strand of hair, I use 2 strands of hair, just because I wanted it thicker, and I didn't, you know, like I didn't want to take as much time putting in 2. So in some places I did do 2 strands of hair instead of 1, but it's really just up to you. It's you know, just try as you go and learn as you go, modify, and etc. So at this point, I haven't quite finished a pack of hair yet, but you can kind of see how dense it is. And you can continue to slide down the Marley hair to the sides of the scrunchie, you know, depending on whether you want to add more hair or not. So at this point, like I said, I'm still just adding hair because I haven't finished a pack yet. So at this point, I've actually used an entire pack of Marley hair. Yeah, so if you want to make another one, like if this is not thick or as thick as you would like it, you can definitely add more hair onto the same scrunchie. I just decided to do another scrunchie for the second pack just to add more, I don't know, versatility. Like I just didn't want, I mean, honestly, it probably wouldn't have made a difference if I just added all the hair onto this. I just did it a different way. So yeah, you can do either one. I'm sure it would work fine. So I went ahead and did the second scrunchie, so it's not as thick as the first one. Like I said earlier, I really only used about half of the second pack, and I still obviously had some hair left. And I just did that just in case, you know, I wanted to see how thick both of them together on my hair were before I decided to add more. So if I did need to add more, then I still have hair that I can do that. So that's it, guys. You now have your ponytails that you can wear, you can take off, and literally just style as you like. Additionally, I decided to split this video up into 2. So I'm still really learning how to, you know, cut videos, like what part's important, and realizing that everything I say and do you guys don't necessarily have to see. So that's kind of been a struggle. So for this video not to be super long, I did like a part 1 and a part 2. So this would just be showing you guys how to do the ponytail. And if you do want to see how I style my hair and get it to this final product, like a slick back ponytail, and how I actually put the ponytail on my hair, then watch my next video. Thank you guys so much.